Hello again. Welcome back to the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Jolene. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I sell modern farmhouse home decor right out of my basement. I sell it on Shopify, on Etsy, in a couple of local boutique stores, and in local farmers markets. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you where to find your Shopify merchant fees. Merchant fees are basically the transaction fees that you have to pay Shopify on every sale when your customer uses credit cards, etc. And I didn't find that they were that easy to find. So I thought, well, I can't be the only person with this problem. I'm just going to show you how it's done. So what you need to do is you need to open the home page of your Shopify and then scroll all the way down to the bottom left-hand corner and click on settings. Once you've opened up settings, you click on payments, and then you will see here your Shopify payments. These are the transaction fees that they are charging me on all of these credit cards. And then I also have additional payment method of PayPal with a 0 transaction fee from Shopify. But weirdly enough, when I do get a PayPal payment, there are fees there, and you'll need to download those from your PayPal account too. So make sure that you watch. Sometimes it says 0 on the Shopify end, but if you actually go back into PayPal, they've dinged you over there before they pay you out. Okay, so what you need to do is click on View Payouts, and up pops your payouts. So the last payout I had was for July 19th. It was for $1,056.82. And you can see all of the previous payouts that I've had here. And you can actually view the transactions. So if I view the transactions for this payout of $1,056.82, I can see all of the sales that I made on that particular day. And then in this column here, you will see the fee. And the fee is what your bookkeeper needs it all, right? But the fee is what you're going to be able to write off against your expenses, cost of products, all that kind of stuff. So they do need this report, and this is how you print it out. So you can export the report, and it will come up as a CSV file for Excel, numbers, or other spreadsheet programs, or a plain CSV file. And that's it. That's the whole entire where you find your merchant fees on Shopify. So if you guys like these videos, please hit the thumbs up. Leave a nice comment so other people can find my video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay tuned for more tutorials and more crafting projects as I build my business. Peace out. Have a great day, guys.